Hey, what's up, YouTube? Oh, fuck me. We're here at the car wash. Fucking A-Town.
Oh my God!
Going through a tornado right now, so,
Tornado. Oh,
holy piss.
that's not getting here in a fake body, dude.
Roll it down.
No, fucking.
I'm kidding. Just fucking touch it. I bet you won't.
But I won't either. I always wanted to go for a car wash and get my body.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. I've always wanted to do that.
Except for the hot wax.
Oh, God. Is this hot wax right now?
Yeah, I think so.
It's colored wax.
Fucking
Racist ass wax. Sounds like a tornado, does it
that's
not?
fucking no. There be fucking mirror. They broke off.
Can this car take any more abuse?
Probably can.
Dude, I so want to go touch one of these.
Okay, fine.
What the hell is this thing? I wonder why I had to pit step on the brake. You're in neutral for crying out loud. I think that.
Is a wrench. Look at that thing.
No, next is the drying. Oh, you know how cool that'd be? No, no, no. God damn. I would want to go through this. Just get the fuck out. What the fuck was that? Alright, YouTube, you just experienced another car wash with Dylan.
Another. Ooh, that's the first one.
I don't know.